I'm going to teach Japanese to everyone in English-speaking countries today. Let's start with greetings. First, let's learn how to say good morning. Let's repeat it and learn it together. Ohayo, 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 Ohio is the casual way to say it, but the formal way is Ohio gozaimasu. Let's say it together. Ohio gozaimasu. Ohio gozaimasu. Ohio gozaimasu. Ohayou gozaimasu. Next, let's do hello. Konnichiwa, 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 konnichiwa. Works in both casual and formal situations. Next, let's learn good evening. Say it with me. Konbanwa. Also works in both casual and formal situations. Next, we'll learn how to introduce yourself in Japanese. Please subscribe to the channel.